Top 3 reasons you need to leave your comfort zone behind. We all have our comfort zones. They're important for a reason. Without it, we'd feel stressed out all the time. We'd have panic attacks, and our anxiety levels would be through the roof. But we aren't meant to stay in our comfort zones forever. In this presentation, I'm going to show you the top 3 reasons why you need to leave your comfort zone if you want success in life. Number 1. Uncover your true potential. If you remain in your comfort zone for far too long, you won't be able to know just how good you can be. You know you've got the talent and the skills to achieve something great, but you're too afraid to explore. You're too afraid of failure. You find it near impossible to even think about where your talent and your skills are going to take you. All you can do is dream about the possibilities, but at the end of the day, you know you're going to be spending your life doing mundane things, simply because you lack the courage to step out of your comfort zone. If you want to uncover your true potential, you need the courage and the confidence to push your boundaries and start taking risks. Number 2. Accomplish your big dreams. It's exciting to have big dreams in life. You think about how your life is going to change and how you'd finally get to live the life you've always wanted. But if you're practically glued to your comfort zone, then nothing's going to get done. Your dreams are going to remain just that, just dreams. You want it bad, but not bad enough to risk leaving your safe zone behind. Stop being a coward and take the steps you need to take so you can achieve your dreams. Number 3. Discover new and exciting things. In your comfort zone, you do the same things over and over. That's why it's called comfort. It's the one place you feel safe, where you don't feel threatened, where you don't feel anxious or stressed. It's where you feel like you're in control. When you remain in your comfort zone, however, you miss out on a lot of things. The world outside is fun. Take baby steps, and you'll soon discover new and exciting things you never even knew existed.
For more free educational content, visit learnforfree.biz. Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo.